Hello everyone. The idea of this video is to show how to use or fill up the rubrics for AoL. So this is the content knowledge rubric. Once you open the file, you can enter the details as to the course, content, assignment, name of the professor, etc. Since there is only one variable in this rubric, it is much simpler. So in this case, the rubric is based upon if the overall grade is 90% or more, the student is proficient in the subject. If the grade is 80% or more, the student is considered as competent, and so on. So in this column, what you can do is enter the name of your students, copy the name of your student over here, and you can copy and paste, not a problem, and so on. And when you go to column C, you can just use the drop-down menu, and if the student has about 60% to 70% and needs improvement, you can select that. Similarly, you can select if the student is competent, you can select that. If student 3 is proficient, you can leave it over there. You don't need to do anything over here. The sheet would create the summary on its own, and it will also create the chart on its own. If you have got another section, you can go to sheet 2 and another section of the same course. So if you're teaching two sections of accounting 201 or accounting 202 or accounting 311 for that matter, then you can just go over here and enter the information the same way as it was shown earlier.